Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to find your Google Chrome default download folder. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is open and you can see your main browser window, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll notice 3 vertical dots stacked on top of each other, which is Chrome's main menu icon. Go ahead and click on these 3 dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various options for managing your browser settings and preferences. From the drop-down menu that appears, look for the option labeled Settings and click on it. This will open Chrome's Settings interface in a new tab where you can customize how your browser operates and access important information about your downloads, privacy settings, and much more. The Settings page is your central hub for managing all aspects of Chrome's behavior. Once you're on the Settings page, take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll see a vertical navigation menu with several categories listed. In this menu, locate and click on Downloads. This section specifically controls everything related to how Chrome handles your downloaded files, including where they're saved and whether the browser asks you where to save each file. After clicking on Downloads, the main area of the Settings page will update to show your download preferences. Here you'll immediately see a section labeled Location. This is exactly what you're looking for, as it displays the current folder path where Chrome automatically saves all your downloaded files by default. The location shown here is your Google Chrome default download folder, and this is where all your downloads end up unless you manually choose a different location during the download process. And that's it. You've successfully located your Google Chrome default download folder and now know exactly where your browser stores all downloaded files. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.